I have in front of me a car jump starter kit. It's available with free delivery from freetv.ie. There's a huge number of features in this. As I go through the product, I'm going to list them all, but there's tools, ability to charge your phone, etc. like that, and a range of options of actually charging the unit. How often can you jump start your car? Well, if your car is less than 1.6 litres, you can jump start it about 36 times. If it's 1.6 litre, about 30 times. So it cuts on, even up to a 3 litre, you can still jump start it probably about 6 times with this. So it's particularly a neat unit, and just all the accessories are with it. So this is the outer box it comes in. You have a case inside here, and all the following things are found inside it. So if you have it at home and you want to charge it, or a charge power unit, you just come along here, and when you want to go and charge it, you can use this directly, plug it directly into your house mains, okay? Or don't use this, come along, use this and charge it directly off of basically what people would normally call a cigarette charger, or the 9 or 12 volt charger on your car itself, okay? Move that out of the way. If you wanted to come along and you wanted to take an output here to charge your phones, things like that, it actually has an adapter here. So the old iPhone 4s, the iPhone 5s and the Android phone connection here as well, okay? That's a lead that comes with it, so they're nice. But we'll come down to the main event here, which is the actual charging everything. So you'll see charger engine here, and what we'll do is you pull this out, and you'll see there's a lead here, and you can't put them in the wrong way because there's a flat and a rounded side to it, okay? You push it in directly here. If I come along here and I turn this on now, you'll see the lights come on. So you can be 1, 2, 3 or 4, so anywhere between 25% and 100% charge. It's giving you in quarters broken down. So you can see it comes out of the box. We haven't charged it here, and it's fully charged, ready to go, okay? So what we can do at this point is we can actually come along and we could connect this directly on and just connect it according to the color code. So the positive is the red and the negative is the black onto your battery thing there, connected on. And when you go to start your cars, make sure all the lights are off. In terms of the car that you have, we'll say the air conditioning, etc. off, so you're not doing an unnecessary draw on it. And it allows you then to have a self-independent way of doing it. So I'm just going to disconnect that. I'm just going to show you the extra sort of features that are on it. So I suppose you know we could use it as a power bank at hell. If you needed an emergency hammer for breaking out a window in the car, you have this. Probably seen these type of things on trains, things like that as well. So it's a hammer there. There's actually a little cutting edge here as well. So you have a sharp blade in there. If you need a piece of string or cord cut, you can just use that directly for it. If you want to come along and turn on and off the lights here, you can just, here, you just go hold it in and release, and it comes on. And if I press it again quickly, it'll flash. If I press it again, it'll flash quicker. And then if I hold it in entirely, it'll just turn back off again. So you have a lot of nice features like that. It's a power output thing here on it as well. So overall, I think this is a really cool product. The price point on it is super. I've seen products like this that do a lot less and charging a lot more. We got this actually off a large distribution house in the UK. So UK warranties, etc. directly from it. It's been designed specifically for the Irish and UK market. You can see even with 3-pin adapt codes, all the rest of it here. So I think this is a great product. It's a really good thing, certainly for people who are on the road a lot, all the rest of it. Have it, and the fact that it's so easy to charge this, and even just for the phone fact that you can have it in the car, quite handy as well. So that's it anyway. A car jump starter kit with power bank features, etc. available with free delivery directly from freetv.ie.